Alright, today I'm going to be making a sponge cake. First thing we need is 4 eggs. I'm going to crack them without spilling anything on the side or shelling. Watch this. Okay, that's 1. See? Okay. So far so good. Okay. There we go. See? 3, 4 perfect eggs. Alright, I'm gonna put sugar in. It's like 80 grams, or like 2/3 of a cup. Okay, now just needs to mix till it's white. Alright, it is whipped. There we go. Now I just need to add, where is it? Vanilla. Just a little bit. Trying not to get one of the vanilla rods or... Oh, okay. That is... Yeah, that's a little bit more than enough. It's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this for a bit. Then I'll come back and do the rest. Alright, now I'm gonna put the flour in a couple spoonfuls at a time till it is incorporated with no lumps. And I'm not supposed to overbeat it according to my mother. At a low speed according to my mother. There we are. Now I'm going to take this out, and with my very masculine pink whisk, I will whisk the rest by hand. According to my mother, yes. I'll just get this off. Cool. Oh wow, it's very light and airy. Look at that. It's mixed, that's done, and now, oh, here it is. Masculine pink spatula. It all slipped out of my hand and fell onto the floor. I was like doing this and it just flew towards me. Alright. Now, I just need to pour it into our square baking sheet. Or box. What is this, just in a box or a sheet? Right, but what do you call it, a sheet or a pan or a box?
It's a pan.
It's a pan. You can either with a toothpick kind of like try to pop the bubbles, or you can do this. Enough? Yeah. Now the cake is going into the oven that is set to 350 for about 20-ish minutes. It is done cooking, or baking. So let me cancel. What we can say our beautiful square-ish cake. Wow. Look at that, Lucien. Wow. So wonderfully square and also round at the same time. Alright, so I am. Are the cats meowing? No? Okay. Well, now I just need to get the sides off of this cake and then release the thing.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. There we go. Done. Okay, now on. Yeah, that's really hot. Alright, I'm gonna flip this over. Grab it like this. These don't have fingers. Okay. Do I do it like that, or do I flip it upside down? I flip it upside down, yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, well. There we go. First try. Pulling off the perfectly placed parchment. You can't be too aggressive when I pull it off, or else it pulls the cake off with it. Okay, well, that's fine. No, I didn't want that part anyway. It's a bad part. Like, look at it. Look how bad this part is just now. Okay, now I just need to let it cool down for a second, and then I will summon the children. So the cake is done, and Arnak back.
Coming.
Watch him do the exact thing I told him not. Okay, good. You guys want cake?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, take a piece off.
Wild family.
Go.
Yeah.
He just ripped it. Wonderful.
Okay.
Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Go give one to your wonderful father.
Wonderful father. Oh my god, that's a huge piece.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Alright.
It's okay.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe while we demolish the rest of this cake.